Hey everyone, welcome back. If Bumble shows a login error and does not let you sign in, follow these steps carefully. First, confirm that you're using the same login method that you signed up with. This could be phone number, Apple ID, or your Google account. Then, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data. Also, if you're not able to do that, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi Fi, and also disable any VPN if enabled. VPNs often cause the login errors on Bumble. Now, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Bumble and swipe it away. Now, reopen it. Try logging in again, wait patiently for the verification process. If the error continues, restart your phone and try once more. As a final step, head over to your app store, search for Bumble, and then try updating your app if you already have not. Errors like this happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Using the correct login method fixes Bumble's most login problem, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.